Hi guys, to get started on this week's design I have painted my nails white. I'm then going in with this silver hollow and you can just about see it there. I'm doing a line just down the side of my nail. It's not quite coming halfway. Next, using black and a dotting tool, we're just going to do a line where the glitter is. My dog likes sirens. Next I'm going to use 3 neon colours and I'm going to start to create some leopard print. I'm just going to use the brush to create some random splodges. You can of course use a finer detailed brush if you prefer. For the last step, we need to make it actually look like it's animal print, so I'm going to use a black striper and we're just going to start partially surrounding the splodges that we did. I'm not being perfect with this either,